Hello, Imran.
Assalamu alaikum, Saeed. How are you doing?
Islam, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, alhamdulillah, I'm good, thank you.
Yeah, let's introduce that we are working from home, so obviously the background is going to be different.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, so obviously it's best to inform the audience when they look at it and may think different. Okay. So how are things in your city? Everything okay?
Yeah, alhamdulillah, everything's all good.
Okay.
Just dealing with the current situation. And how about yourself? You're in Birmingham at the moment.
Yeah, Birmingham. Yes, we are based in Birmingham, and yeah, things are all right. Slowly getting to normal, and yeah. So let's quickly get on to our basically subject for knowing more about QA, and if you can
no problem.
let us know, please.
So so first of all, thank you guys for watching. My name's Imran Rashid, and I'm a recruitment officer for QA Higher Education. QA, we are a specialist in a foundation provider here in the UK. We also do provide undergraduate, postgraduate degrees as well, along with pre-sessional English programs. So we offer a wide range of programs, and we work with a number of universities in the UK. So we work with 4 different universities, and at 3 of these universities, we deliver the International Foundation Program. These 3 universities are Northumbria University, which is located in Newcastle, Southampton Solent University, which is located in Southampton, and the University of Rotterdam, which is based in London. Okay, so at all 3 of these universities, we deliver the foundation program. The entry requirements for all of these foundation programs is the same. So it's 60% from your Thanawiyah Al-Amma, it's 60% if you have the American High School Diploma, or it's 5 IGCSEs between A and C. And then also the English requirements for all of these foundation programs are 4.5 or a 5.0. Okay.
Is that so UKVI? Sorry to interrupt you there. Is that IELTS UKVI?
Yes. So there's 2 options. If you would like one single visa for your foundation program, then you must have a UKVI IELTS. Okay. However, we now offer a joint visa, which is a joint CAS, which basically means if you achieve a 5.5 in your IELTS in all components, you'll then get a visa for all 4 years of studying. So you can, if you have a 5.5 in all components, then it does not need to be UKVI. But if you have less than 5.5, then you must have a UKVI IELTS to join the foundation program.
Okay.
Okay. Just on the mention of the English requirements as well, we do also have the QA English language test, which is free for our students to take. This test is taken online via Skype. It's free for all of our students, and the results are processed within 2 working days.
Okay.
So at the moment, as you can imagine, it's really busy. It's a really busy test. However, the good thing for our students is if they apply, they can take this test for free with us, and it's on Skype.
Okay.
And you can use this test for the joint CAS, for the joint visa I just mentioned.
Okay, that's great. Okay.
Okay. Just to carry on, so at Northumbria University, just to give you a bit of background, the ranking of Northumbria is 48 in the UK. It's got some really strong facilities. It has a huge range of a portfolio of programs. They have a really strong business school. It was the first business school in Europe to receive a double AACSB accreditation. 2 or 3 years ago, it won the #1 business school in the whole of the UK. And for this reason, it has a huge range of business programs for students to study, such as human resource management, marketing management, finance and accounting, travel and tourism management. It has over 20 business bachelor degrees that students can study. We then have the engineering foundation program. Here we offer the mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, and automotive engineering. Then we have the computing foundation program. There we have all different types of network computing courses, such as network computing, cybersecurity, games and animation design. And then we have the Arts, Design and Media Foundation, where we have architecture, which is one of the strongest courses at Northumbria University. It's actually ranked in the top 15 in the UK at Northumbria University. There's also fine art, fashion design, graphic design, interior design. Then we have the Humanities and Social Sciences Foundation program, which is for your generic programs such as law, psychology, criminology, sociology, and so on. So at Northumbria University, there's a huge range, a portfolio of courses, and of course it's located in Newcastle, which is a really popular student destination for students who study in the UK. The second university I mentioned is Southampton Solent University, which is in Southampton, which is on the south coast of the UK. And here, the course portfolio is very similar to Northumbria University, where we offer a huge range of programs such as business, engineering, arts and design, journalism, law. The one standout field I would say at Southampton Solent is that they have a maritime field. So it is one of the strongest in the universities in the UK that offers maritime programs such as powercraft and yacht design, maritime business, shipping and port management. It's really popular for these courses. And then the final university is the University of Roehampton. This university is one of the only park-based campuses in London. So it's a huge space. It's 54 acres of land in London. It's in the southwest of London. And here are the more traditional courses. Roehampton is actually one of the oldest universities in the UK. It's from the 1800s. So it's over 200 years old. So here the courses are very traditional. They have your business courses, but they also have courses such as humanity and politics, zoology, law, English literature, classic civilization, history. So as you can see, it's more your traditional courses at the University of Roehampton.
All right, thanks. Thanks, Imran. I think briefly you mentioned quite a lot of information. That's very nice of you. And with the September intake, if you quickly mention about intakes, please. How many intakes?
So for intakes, so we have a September intake for all three of the universities. During this pandemic, I can confirm that all three universities are planning to open as normal. So in September, all universities will be open. They will be following government guidelines. So at the moment, the courses will be taught on campus. However, if required, then some of the courses may be delivered online. So students will get their visa, they can come and live with us at the university. But some of the courses, so some modules, may be delivered online. But there are some courses that will be delivered on the campus as well. So you will get face-to-face teaching.
Okay. How about after September, you have January intake or next year?
Yes, so we have September intake, we have January intake, we have March intake, and then we have September intake again. So we have 3 intakes for our students.
All right, Imran, thank you for your time. And I think you have covered almost all the areas. But if you need another webinar for more details, we will definitely will disturb you and we'll get back to you.
No problem. Thank you very much, Syed.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Goodbye.